What is up, my crafty crew, and welcome back to Craft with Felicia.
Have you ever found yourself scrolling through Pinterest or looking at Etsy and saying, wow, I wish I knew how to make that?
Well, today that wish could become a reality because we're so excited to announce that we are giving away this Cricut Maker 4.
Hey, that's my Cricut. You can't give that away.
We'll give away a brand new Cricut 4. Does that work?
That works for me.
Look, this isn't just any cutting machine. It's no knockoff. This is the queen of the crafting world. The Cricut Maker 4 can cut over 300 materials, everything from the most delicate paper and vinyl and tough stuff like leather and even basswood.
With 13 incredible tools at your fingertips, the Cricut Maker 4 lets you write, draw, score, foil, engrave, and so much more. The creativity possibilities are endless. Imagine designing your own t-shirts like these.
Nice.
Making heartfelt gifts for loved ones, creating eye-catching home decor, fun stickers, or even sleek professional labels for school or business. Whatever you can dream up, the Cricut Maker 4 helps you bring it to life.
It sure can. Now, I know what you're thinking. These giveaways are impossible to win, but not this one. Why? Because we wanted to make this as simple and easy as possible for you to have a chance to take this incredible machine home. Here's how you can win this Cricut Maker 4. It's so easy you can literally enter in under 30 seconds.
Step 1. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel at Craft with Felicia to hear if you're the winner on July 4th. Now, you don't have to subscribe to enter. It is completely free. You get awesome crafty content and you'll get notified of future giveaways. And yes, there will be 2 more this year. It's a win-win.
I'm gonna go broke. Step 2, follow all the instructions on the entry form and get as many entries as you can. Don't worry, it's super simple. And the more you do, the better your chances. It's so easy to enter.
That's right. Step 3, comment below. This is truly the fun part. Just leave a comment below telling me the very first thing you think you'll make with your brand new Cricut Maker 4. Would you make a custom mug, a funny t-shirt, a beautiful birthday card? Let your imagination run wild.
And just for fun, we'll select our 5 favorite comments and send those people something special. Now for the brief legal stuff. This giveaway is open to all of our friends in the United States who are 18 years of age or older. This giveaway will close on July 3rd at 11:59 p.m. Central. The winner will be randomly selected from the entries live on YouTube and will be announced in the pinned comment on this video and on our community tab on July 4th at noon Central, 1 p.m. Eastern. We will also contact you via email.
Wow, that was certainly a mouthful. Whatever he just said is going to be printed in the description and the comments. So good luck to everyone who enters. I am so incredibly excited to see one of you win this amazing machine and start crafting. So what are you waiting for? Get to subscribing, liking, and commenting. Happy crafting and happy winning.